Have you ever watched beautifully designed cakes, pastries, or desserts online and wondered, can baking become a real career? The answer is yes. Today, let's explore careers in baking in 2026 and its future demand. Hello, everyone. This is Priyanka B from Career Guidance India YouTube channel, and today we are going to explore a creative and delicious career field, baking. Baking is no longer just a hobby in current scenario. It has become a growing professional industry connected to food business, hospitality, entrepreneurship, and even in social media content creation. So let's understand this step by step. So, what is baking as a career? Baking involves preparing cakes, pastries, bread, cookies, desserts, and customized baked products. It combines creativity, culinary skills, presentation, and precision. So, what are all the major career roles in baking? First one, professional baker. Professional bakers prepare baked products for bakeries, cafes, hotels, and restaurants. They work on recipes, baking techniques, and product quality. So, here skills required are baking techniques, time management, creativity, and attention to detail. Second one, pastry chef. They specialize in desserts, pastries, decorative sweets, and advanced baking art. They focus on both taste and presentation. So, their workplaces are luxury hotels, fine dining restaurants, and premium bakeries. Third one, cake artist and cake designer. So, they create customized cakes for weddings, birthdays, events, or corporate celebrations. This field requires strong creativity and design skills. Fourth one, home baker and baking entrepreneur. So many bakers now start businesses from home. They take custom orders, sell through social media, build online bakery brands. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube help the bakers grow their business. So, last and final one, baking content creator. They create recipe videos, baking tutorials, and food photography content. This combines baking with digital content creation. Students can enter baking through diploma in baking and confectionery, culinary arts courses, hotel management programs, or through short-term baking certifications, online learning, and apprenticeship. Which means apprenticeship. Practical experience is very important in this field. The demand for baking professionals is increasing because cave culture is growing, customized cakes are getting popular, food delivery apps are expanding, social media food businesses are increasing, premium dessert markets are growing. In 2026 and beyond, artisan baking, healthy desserts, and customized baking brands will continue to create more opportunities in the days to come. Professionals can grow into head baker, pastry chef, bakery owner, and food entrepreneur. So, the income depends on skill, creativity, brand value, and customer base. Entrepreneurship opportunities are very, very strong in this field. So, in reality, baking careers require patience, practice, consistency, and long working hours at times. Success depends more on product quality, creativity, and customer satisfaction than marks or degrees. So, choose baking if you enjoy cooking and creativity, if you like designing the desserts, if you are patient and detail oriented, if you want a creative business opportunity. Baking is becoming a powerful career option in today's food and digital industry. In 2026 and beyond, with growing demand for customized and premium food experiences, baking will continue to offer exciting opportunities. If you are passionate, creative, and consistent, you can build a successful career in baking. If you want to explore more creative and future ready career options, subscribe to Career Guidance India by Priyanka B. If you feel confused about choosing the right career path, you can find my career guidance form link in the description. Let's move forward with clarity today and confidence tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.